Hey everyone, I'm Vivek, and as part of the backdrop build program, I've built a reputation system, which is a POC, and basically it's like a user intelligence system of what the user activities are on chain. This is primarily aimed for any individual who wants to take control of their identity and their activity on chain and use that and use like a representation token to leverage services on other chain. This token is like a direct proof of the legitimacy. If we talk of B2B, then businesses can use this token to assess how legitimate their users are. Does it solve a lot of problems in Web3 KYC in the Web3 KYC space? Not a lot. Some. Can we refine this and improve this as we go? Definitely. Please have a look into the repo, into the future scope to see where I'm headed with this. There's exciting stuff like steganography involved. But we get right to the project. I'll give a quick demo. Please read YKYC, and that'll give an idea of to what where am I headed with this project, and why I am doing this in the first place, why it's the traditional KYC is broken. Please give a read through it. But if you just go to once you log in with your wallet, this is the page that you get when you click on query Aave and solve. You can query Aave, and that gives you basically what's the token in your balance, like your activity on chain. If you're querying Sol, you will get basically like a reply with who's the owner, what's your space, how many lampposts or like Sol units you own. And then when you go to your generating a graph, which you can get using your check web reputation, get your graph and score. If you generate activity summary, you can get your activity on chain. If it doesn't work, please try to give these a refresh. It uses promises and doesn't use and uses free APIs, so it's not production grade, sorry, but definitely give it a refresh and give it a try. I promise you it works. If I do a generate activity summary, it went away. I'm sorry about that, but this is basically how it looks like. You have a transaction. It's a method. The system basically sees what kind of transactions you're doing, what kind of methods you're using, and gives you a score based on that. Then a quadratic scoring system is used to see what your score is. I just have a couple of methods. I did some swaps. I did a transfer and a deposit. And let's check out my score. And again, if it's not working, yep, it says NFT is like 64. I'm getting a score of 64, and yeah, and I'll get a score of 64, and I'll also get a token here. And the token basically it tells you what that token basically is a representation of your unique activities on chain, which you can use to leverage other services. And thanks for the video. Please message me on any channel that you find or in my GitHub contacts to know more about this project. Thanks Backdrop Build, thanks Aave, thanks Sol, and thank you Etherscan.